morning, hot dogs. Welcome back to the fun. We're doing it real big at work. Let's check out what time is it. It is garbage truck o'clock, so let's go. Shout outs to Jesus. Brought up the truck. This was acting funny. It got fixed. So I had not written up the trucks for about almost 3 weeks. That was pretty awesome. And I was waiting to write it up and have a reason. That way I can add them cleaning out my camera lens, my hopper camera lens. And one more thing outside, let's go check it out. I asked them to remove the old billboard because it was just chipping away. It was no good. They did put a new one on top of the old one, and I think that's why it fell off really fast. And that went into the landfill, and then the old one stayed. It was chipping away. I just asked them to remove it. They didn't bother putting a new one. It's not up to me. I don't know where the decision comes to replace them or put a new one, but it's finally off. What do we have here? Mattress? It's not top heavy. It's a bunch of pillows. Let's take it. Yep. It's all good. Quick grip. Line it up. Pick it up. What is that? Not too crazy. Little space. There we go. They cleaned my hopper camera lens to see more clearly. Lately I've been getting out to move this can because I usually put it on the other side of the driveway, and it kept brushing on those branches, which is no good for wear and tear on the can and my arm and my clamps. So last week I tagged it and I specified on the tag, please place can here. And sure enough, it worked. Good job, residents. That's so awesome. Communication is key. And now even they put the green and the blue. So you're welcome, green and blue. No problem. Look at that. That was awesome. Got my first load. Let's put our clamp part away. Onto the curb. And secure the cart. And the arm. Good to go. I'd say she's pretty empty. Uh-oh, plastic on it. Don't damage my stuff. Kind of brittle. Both hands. Here we go. Alright, it's not secure. Whatever falls off. Well, it looks like it is tied up. There's a rope there, but we'll see. I mean, I'll attempt it. Looks like I'm picking up green today. Oh, nice job, my guys. Well, why didn't I pick up the power wheel? Well, the power wheel weighs 30, 50 pounds. I don't know. What is a bunch of leaves gonna do? Nothing. Quick grip. Line it up. Pick it up. This item, toilet paper, put it in a garbage bag, tie it up, secure your garbage. Here you go. Line it up, pick it up. So we're nearby hills and mountains. As you can see, the mountains in the back. We're pretty close by. I would believe wild animals. And good thing I'm recording this. That way, you know, I don't get blamed for it. Raccoons, coyotes, they'll come. The lid is broken. So if your lid is broken, have it get fixed and replaced. Keeps the wild animals away from making a mess. They smell their garbage. To them, it's a buffet. Oh, this one feels heavy. Dirt and trash. Another heavy one. Dirt. Yep. Put our window up. Don't forget to drop a like. Free grip, line it up, pick it up. Time to call it a day. Just got a few cans to collect. But these two right here, they're cooked. LA Danny out.